What's up, you guys? Last week I got something really special in the mail and I want to share it with you guys. Now, there's some pretty big updates to the Rebel. We're going to talk about that in this video. However, this Rebel is really special. This is the all-new limited edition Mr. Cartoon Lid Rebel. And we have three different lids. We have the Gentleman Clown, we have the Street Art, and we have the Angelic Barber Pole. And if you don't know who Mr. Cartoon is, he is one of the best tattoo artists on the face of the planet, and you guys should go check him out and look into him. I think about the culture of barbering. It's really turning into more of an art form every single day. I see people doing some really detailed designs or just detailed work in general. And when I seen this lid, this tool, and this design, I thought, like, how cool is that to mix the artistry of tattooing along with barbering. And I know a lot of barbers have tattoo artists in their shop. And if you guys do, drop a comment down below. I would love to hear how that would work out. And if I could put a tattoo artist in my shop, I mean, I got tattooed, I would love that. I actually think that's a really cool way to do a business. But this all new Rebel is essentially what it is. And we're not really calling it the Rebel 2.0 or anything, but there are some significant updates. So let's talk about them. The Super Torque rotary motor, 7,200 RPMs, that's the same, but however, this new motor does not have ports on the top. There's no holes for oil to get into and cause damage to the motor. And that really wasn't a problem on a large scale, but if you dump a ton of oil into the top of your motor, obviously that is gonna be a problem. But the next thing that they did actually was a problem. So the switch on a lot of the Rebels went bad, and they do have extra switches, and if you're one of them, you guys can reach out, you can get a switch. It's a very easy thing to change. I'll drop a short right here, 60 seconds, and you guys will see how easy it is to swap out that switch. But the new Rebel actually comes with the new switch, and what that does is it protects it from hair getting into the body better, and it will last a good amount longer than the previous switch. But really, under heavy use, a lot of things are gonna start to take damage over the years of using them. I actually have one of the original pairs of Rebels. It is loud, but it still works fine. And that brings me to the next thing they did. They've addressed the noise. All right, the highest that I got this thing to read at was actually 68 decibels. So that's a significant reduction. Even the previous Rebels, they came at like 77 decibels. So huge improvement there. But why is that improved? It's because the new cam followers. If you look at any updated Rebel, you're gonna notice that the cam follower, which is what drives the blade, is actually green. And the green ones are made of a much better material. They're more durable, they last longer, they're quieter, but also they have little runners inside that will kick the hair out to the sides a little more efficiently so it doesn't get clogged into your motor as bad and cause excessive wear there. So that's another big update right there. And the rest of it is essentially the same. You're gonna get a full set of double magnetic guards. You got the stand, you got the micro USB charging port, you get levers and a stretch bracket. So essentially the package itself with everything you get is the same. Taper blade, slim deep tooth cutter, and it performs as expected. It's a really nice clipper to use. Now, what does it compare to? Just in case you've been living under a rock and you don't know what the Rebel is, the Rebel compares really strongly against the Magic Clips or the Seniors or really any of these more traditional clipper styles. But the nice thing about the Rebel is it has a much longer runtime than them, and it has the stand, the micro USB charging, and a lot of extra value associated with the box at a great price. So if you guys are interested in picking up this Rebel, you guys can use my code Eddie, you can save 15%. But let's watch a haircut with it. I'll show you guys some of the finer points, and of course the members are gonna be getting this entire haircut dropped and packaged nicely for them because I can't drop tutorials anymore or YouTube will kill me. But let's see how it works across a couple different clients, a couple different hair types.
I know I've done it on many occasions, you know. And you're like, and then you get somebody. Especially too, like a lot of times, like a lot of like. Let's say I get like mad and I throw something.
I'm like, yo, my legs are so.
Your legs are so. As I do these haircuts, I just want to point out the fact that the new Rebel is going to have all of these updates. I know you might not be able to get this special edition Mr. Cartoon Lid. You can check the link down below for any other availability that I find. I'm gonna attach it to this video, so hopefully if you get a chance, you can get your hands on them. But the new Rebels are coming. They are going to be available. For how long, I don't know, because they sell out really quick. So if you see the opportunity to pre-order them, if you're gonna do it with Stylecraft or Gamma, you guys could use my code Eddie. You can now save 15%. And you know, if you see them from a distributor or a supplier or something like that, I would definitely scoop these up. This is gonna be a game changer for most of you guys who really enjoy that classic shape and feel of a clipper. So as you can see, this is a great clipper. It's great for clipper over comb. It's great for bulk removal. It's pretty much great for everything, fading, the whole nine. And of course, it's found a space right back on my station once again. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got something out of it. And if these new Rebels come around, I'm gonna warn you guys, these things sell out so fast, it's ridiculous. They're still gonna say to be determined on the site, but soon there's actually going to be some for sale. You might have to get it through Stylecraft. You might have to go through a distributor. I don't know how quickly these are gonna go, but I do know for a fact that they're gonna sell out, and many of them are already sold before they're even getting there. So the moment they're on sale for pre-order, if you really want one, I would encourage you guys to get your pre-orders in as soon as you're able to do that. So, this is the YouTube Barber Academy. I'm Mr. Eddie Barber, and I'm out of here. Peace.